Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view the responses in Google Forms. So if you want to see whether or not the respondents have answered or have filled in the Google form, you can go to the responses, and here you can just open the file that you created on the Google form. And after that, this is the responses tab. Click on this. So if any respondents have answered the form, there will be shown in here the analytics and also the answer. But if you want to extract it into a form of Google Sheets, you can just click on this link to Sheets option, and after that, a new Google Sheets file will be open based on the answer of your respondents. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.